Hey guys, welcome back. Put on your detective hats because we are diving into the mysterious world of Arconia again. That's right, we're talking about the return of our favorite true crime podcasting trio in Only Murders in the Building, Season 4. Let's face it, Season 3 left us with our jaws on the floor. That cliffhanger ending with a shocking twist, a literal bang, had us all scrambling for theories. But fear not, my fellow murderinos, because good news arrived in October 2023. Season 4 is officially happening. We still don't have a confirmed release date, but whispers suggest a summer 2024 timeframe. Filming might be affected by the ongoing strikes, so it could potentially get pushed back to 2025. Here's hoping the drama stays on screen. Now, let's talk plot. Season 4 picks up right where we left off. Remember that seemingly celebratory after party? Well, things take a dark turn when a gunshot rings out. We see Charles clutch his stomach, but a slow camera pan reveals the horrifying truth. It's Saz who's been hit. And get this, with her dying breath, Saz tries to scrawl a letter in blood. What could it mean? Was Charles the intended target? This is the kind of cliffhanger that keeps us up at night. Of course, the amazing cast is confirmed to return. Steve Martin, Martin Short, and Selena Gomez are back as our favorite amateur sleuths, Charles, Oliver, and Mabel. We can also expect some familiar faces from the Arconia, but there's always room for new suspects, right? This show has us hooked, not just for the murders, but for the characters. We've laughed with them, we've cried with them, and we've definitely felt the chills with them. Season 4 promises to be an emotional roller coaster. Will Charles recover? How will Mabel and Oliver deal with the trauma, and will their budding romances survive? So many questions, and we can't wait to see how it unfolds. If you haven't dived into Only Murders in the Building yet, let me tell you, you're missing out. It's the perfect blend of comedy, suspense, and heartwarming moments. Plus, who doesn't love a good murder mystery, especially when it's set in a quirky New York apartment building? So, what do you guys think will happen in Season 4? Who's the killer? Will our favorite podcasters finally crack the case? Leave your theories in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates on Only Murders in the Building. Until next time, stay safe out there, and remember, keep an eye on your neighbors. You never know who might be the next killer lurking in the shadows.